I'm Tanya Curren of TV Scaly Adventures, and I wanted to show you the Midwest Tongs breakdown hook today. Now here it is in its broken down form, and you can see at the end it's got a plastic tubing that comes with it. This is great because when you're packing your gear and packing it in your suitcase or in your backpack, it keeps it all compact and together. So you slide that right off, and as you'll see, it comes into two parts. Now broken down, this is just a little over 20 inches, but when you put it together, it's 40. What we love about this is it's got a very durable locking system in it. So you'll see you can do this. You just push the button and slide it together, and it snaps into place, and it's super firm. And that's very important because if you buy imitation or cheap snake hooks, a lot of times when they're collapsible and you put them together, this part will spin around, and that's not good at all as you're moving snakes, as you can imagine. So if you see this is all aluminum. It's got the aluminum tip here with the beveled end so that it will not hurt the snake. If you come up, you've got the aluminum shaft in the famous Midwest Tongs blue color, and you've also got the two grips. What's great also about Midwest Tongs is they can customize gear for you. So if you want something specific for your collection, definitely contact them. Check them out at tongs.com, Midwest Tongs. We know you'll love it because we love it too.